I discovered these dippers upstream of East Linton a couple of months ago. I watched them slowly build their nest. Now they're hard at work feeding a new brood. Here we can see, I think the male dipper diving into the stream, hunting for invertebrates. It's launched itself off its usual rock just under the bridge that it nests in, dives repeatedly in a fast-flowing current. Pops up again, flies away. Starts the hunt again. Diving back into the water. Pops up again. Dives again. Up it comes and flies off. Soon, I promise you. Very intrepid, industrious birds. Yeah, not finished with diving yet. Here we go. And lands back on the rock, its favoured rock under the bridge, just under its nest. And then it will soar up towards its nest. I'm not showing you where exactly the nest is to protect the birds. It's landed back from the nest onto its favoured rock just below the bridge. And I was thinking, I fished this bit twice recently, maybe I'll try somewhere else. But right now, I'm having a well-deserved rest. Here it goes, onto the top of this rock. And off it goes downstream to continue the hunt.